everyone, it's Allie at Dilly Dally with Allie. I hope you had a snow day today. We have so much snow out there. My kids and I decided we want to make snow cream today. So I'm going to show you how to make that today. And I'm sending my kids out. I have a 1 cup measuring cup. They're going to get 8 cups of fresh snow. Make sure you get it off the top layer. Do not get it near the road. Don't get dirt in it. Just try to get your cleanest snow that you can. 8 cups in a stainless steel thing so it stays cooler. And the ingredients that you need is white sugar, fresh snow, whole milk, and then your flavoring. So we're gonna do vanilla today. And then you need 2 bowls and a whisk or whatever, measuring cups, whatever you need. But it's gonna be fun. All right, hope you make it with us. Okay, so just get the top layer, okay? We're gonna put this here, keep it nice and cold. Make sure you just get the top layer so it's clean. Make sure you count 4 each, okay? You guys counting? 8 cups. Okay, now we're gonna do 1/2 cup of white sugar. But we're gonna put this in a separate bowl. Okay, you put the sugar in. Yep, good job. And then we're gonna do 1 cup of milk. So, yep, you get to do the milk. I would do whole milk just because it's fattier, so definitely do whole milk, it'll be creamier. And then I will do the vanilla. So this is when you add your flavoring. I'm just gonna do like a splish splash of vanilla. And then I'm gonna whisk it, mix it up. And now the fun part. So do you kids want to do this? Okay, both of you pour it in. Just pour it in. All right, so you just mix it, and look at that. That is, all right, here, you wanna help? Here. So keep mixing. So now we're gonna do this. You just want all of that mixed together. And this will melt fast. Okay, so now I'm just gonna reuse this cup. Look at that, snow cream. Look at that, perfect snow cream. Yummy. And then you can put sprinkles in it, or look at that, look at that. That is so neat. Okay, so easy too. Whole milk, so 1 cup of whole milk, 8 cups of fresh snow, splash of your flavoring, 1/2 cup of white sugar, and you got snow cream.
Mommy, it tastes like ice cream.
Yay! All right, you add your sprinkles. That is so pretty. Okay, look at that. Yummy! Does it taste good? Can you try some? Ah, there you go. So easy to do with your kids. So easy. I hope you do it today. All right. That is very good. You could add any flavor that you want with this. Like you could do even like a snow cone type thing if you have any snow cone syrup at home. This is delicious.
You think you made this?
Fun little craft to do with your kids today. All right, enjoy your snow day. Stay warm. Bye. Bye. Happy snow day.
Happy snow day. Happy snow day.